everyone, and welcome back to the Dork Side. I'm the Dork in the Road, and this is my motocamping setup. That's right, everyone. I'm the Dork in the Road, and I want to be your internet riding buddy, so please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on those notifications. So I'm about to pack up and head out on my first motocamping trip of the year. It is spring break, and I'm very excited to get out there. And since I have a pretty new motocamping setup, I thought I would share it with all of you before the video so that you know what pieces I'm working with if you're looking for ideas for your own personal motocamping kit. Those are the Tusk Pilot panniers, the water bottle holders, and that is the Tusk small dry bag. That's a 22-liter bag. The two panniers are 35 liters each. So I'm going to pack everything up and just kind of tell you and show you what I'm trying to put in each bag. I haven't actually packed any of this up yet, so it may be that some of it doesn't fit as well as I think it's going to, but this is everything I'm hoping to take with me. Let's start packing. First of all, just let me say thank you to Motocamp Nerd for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to get some awesome motocamping gear of your own, check out motocampnerd.com. There's a link in the description, and if you use promo code DORKINTHEROAD, that's all one word, you get 10% off anything you buy. I'm taking almost every single item from my complete motocamping setup video that I made with gear that Motocamp Nerd sent me. The big exception there is this sleeping pad, because the pad that I got from Motocamp Nerd is not insulated, and it's going to be 33 degrees tomorrow night. So I'm going to take my Big Agnes Aircore Ultra because it is insulated. This is the small, it's a 22-liter dry bag, and this is just going to go on top. I have a luggage rack on the back of my Africa Twin. I'm just going to strap it down to that. So I'm going to start with this, and I'm going to try to get everything you see here on the table into this. This is basically all the shelter type gear that I will have. So first things first, Snug Pack Travel Pack 4. This is a 19-degree bag. Press it down. Quite a bit smaller. That's just going to go in the bottom of the bag. Big Agnes Ultra Aircore. This is the extra large one. I also have the inflation sack for this tucked down in this, so you'll see that when we get out and use it, theoretically. Mess kit, so my Sea to Summit X-Pot, there's a bowl and a cup in there, and then I'm taking this extra large plate because one, it just fits right inside this, and two, if I'm not sure what I'm cooking yet, but it may be something I need to cut up, so I'd like to have a little bit bigger plate for that. So it doesn't take up a lot of extra space. I'm going to put it in. This is the UST Trekker stove. Comes with a stand, and I'm just going to put everything in this little stuff sack, along with my Sea to Summit titanium utensils. It's my Sea to Summit Aeros Premium pillow, very small. This is that UST Sprite lantern with batteries, glow in the dark, handy as hell. This is a complete unnecessary luxury, but I want to play with it. It's a Vargo stainless steel twig stove, but as you can see, it's very flat and doesn't take much space, and it's not very heavy, so if I get bored out there, I want to play with this. Fuel canister, kind of important if you're going to run an isobutane stove. This is my Surviveware small first aid kit. If you're going to be processing wood like we are using an axe and a saw, highly, highly recommend that you have something like this. This is a nylon tarp that we'll use to make a shelter. If it's rainy, it's not supposed to be, but it's Oregon, the weather's always changing on us. And last but not least, 4 liters of water in my Sea to Summit water carrier thingy-majig. Okay, fun experiment. Everything but this fits, so I'm going to leave this out for now. They make several sizes of these dry bags. This is actually the one that goes with my Tusk excursion bags for the DRZ, but I just wanted to give a lot of their luggage a test out before I review it, so I decided to use this one. So 22 liters, I got basically all my shelter and comfort gear in there, all my sleeping setup, and not my tent, but everything else. This I'll strap to the outside or put in one of the other bags. This is a Tusk Pilot pannier with water bottle holder. There is a dry bag inside here, so these are 35-liter bags. There's a 35-liter dry bag inside. I'm just going to try to stuff the dry bag while it's inside the bag. Theoretically, you can then just take it out when you get to your destination and leave your bags on your bike. That's cool. So I've got a couple taller items that I'm going to put in vertically. Fortunately, they're about the same length, so this is my Tusk compact camp chair, although this is a large one, so it's slightly less compact, and my Snug Pack Ionosphere tent. And these, I know the Tusk chairs will fit standing up, and the Snug Pack is about the same size, so I'm going to try to put it in standing up too. I got all this sealed up last time. I don't know if you saw the scouting in the rain and the hail and the snow video that McLovin and I made, but that was when I tested all this gear the first time. Tusk chair is in. Try to put these on either side so that I can put this other gear in the middle. Also try to get the weight fairly balanced, but it's kind of hard because I've got to put all this tall stuff in the same bag. Got almost 100 liters of space on this trip, so I can take a few luxuries, including my humidor cigar box. Thank you very much. Can't camp without that. A little liquid refreshment, a little bourbon in here. Not too much, but enough to enjoy myself. My Fisker's hatchet, processing firewood, because we're gonna have to do that out there. I plan on camping on, or cooking on the fire. This is a grill. I plan on cooking over the fire like I mentioned. So I'm gonna try to slide this down in the front. A pair of work gloves that are pretty warm because it's gonna be cold. A hat, and I'm gonna change into these pants so I don't have to wear my riding pants the whole time. I'll nestle my bourbon right on top, safely secure. Got that one really full, that's for damn sure. The tall stuff gives it just a little bit of trouble, but I think we got it. Good to go? It's a little tall, but price you pay for getting your tent in there, I think. I'm okay with it. And the final bag, my other Tusk Pilot Bag. And we're gonna put all this stuff in there. So this is just a soft-sided, semi-insulated cooler. I will put all my food in that, probably some bacon, and I think I'm gonna take some brats and a little bit of sauce and this jerky that I'll take as a snack. This, I usually just put the food in, maybe an ice pack, and then I'll just smash it down as much as I can, and it'll go on the top of this bag. So it's gonna have to go in last. So you won't see me pack that today, but that's usually where I take my food in. I'm also gonna take my Agua Canyon Boreal 21. This is a folding saw, it's a backpacking saw. It won't fit in these bags, so I'm just gonna strap it to the bike. This bag is loaded. This is my camping bag. I'm not gonna go down every single item in this bag, but this is the one I take with me every time I go camping anywhere. So if you're interested, maybe it's a separate video, but it's just bug spray, my contact solution, my glasses, battery charger, headlamp. There's a little first aid kit in here, paracord, my knife, some seasoning. Did I say toilet paper already? Wet wipes, my fire making stuff, my coffee stuff. That's all in here. So that's like my universal camping bag. And it's gonna go in here too. Yeah, this is gonna be a problem. Okay, I'm overpacking. I do this. I don't need everything in that bag. I just like to have it. All right, this is a short trip, so I'm not gonna take my tools. Famous last words, but I'm not gonna take them. This thing's so bright. Tusk Defender. It's not defending my eyes against blindness, I'll tell you that. Well, it fits in the dry bag, so I should be able to get it in there, right? If you expand the straps out far enough, it totally fits. So, the red bag is in the bottom. Food bag's gotta go on top because I gotta pack it tomorrow. So, it can't be buried in there. Tarp. Water bag. I like to have water, it's important to have water. Water cell, what are you gonna call it? Call it what you want. Okay, and then the only other thing that's gotta go in here is this. Smash down to about that size, so it'll totally fit. Right on top, so we're good. Good to know, packing mistake. Can't take my full toolkit every time unless I shed some camping gear, which I probably need to do because realistically I don't need everything that's in that red bag that's in the bottom of this bag. Fold it down. I'm gonna have to readjust all these straps when I get them on the bike, obviously. So that's how I pack up all my moto camping gear. That's everything I'm taking. Good, we learned a few lessons along the way. I'll put links to everything in this video in the description below. Don't forget you can use promo code Dork in the road to get 10% off any purchase at motocampnerd.com, and it is the only store on the internet dedicated 100% to the needs of motorcycle campers, so I would encourage you to check out that site because I think it's pretty badass. But I'm going to put this stuff on the bike and get ready to go, and tomorrow I'm going moto camping, so thanks for coming along. Hope you check out the moto camping video when it's finished, but for now, and as always, I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.
Excellent!
Sorry, toolkit. Don't worry, I definitely won't break down. Famous last words without you. The water's heavy, man.